So our friend told us that Pennington Park wasn't flooded. Julio, do you concur?
Huh?
That's supposed to be the road.
Yeah, you know.
Just so you know! Wait, so you think we could go? Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? That fucking gringo, man! Pepe's. Pepe's burrito. Eat my Pepe's. Pepe's. Pepe's fucking hoe. Eat my Pepe's. Pepe. Pepe's enchiladas. My Pepe's eat so good. Pepe burrito. Enchiladas. What the fuck? Look at that. Look at that Mexican. You like my peppers, man? You like my peppers? I know you do. Go! He's scared of Mexicans. Alright, bring that shit back to the room. I bet, yo. Peppers. Peppers taquitos. Eat my peppers, man. Peppers. Peppers burrito. Peppers. Pepe's enchiladas, taquitos, burritos, enchiladas. I crossed the border, I'm sorry.